Good afternoon, everyone. Good evening. I'm here today with Geography Paper 1, GCE, Ordinary Level, 2017. I'm here with the questions and answers. So, listen carefully and then revise and grab your success. So, question 1 is, what length on the linear scale will represent 1 kilometer if the ratio is 1:25,000? What length on the linear scale will represent 1 kilometer if the ratio is 1:25,000? The answer is A. Question 2. Where contours on a map are regularly spaced out, the slope is described as. Where contours on a map are regularly spaced out, the slope is described as. The answer is A. Question 3. Study the sketch for question 3 to 5. 3. In which direction would the river in this sketch flow? In what direction would the river in this sketch flow? The answer is C. Question 4. Which of these shapes best describes the cross section between the points A and B? Which of these shapes best describes the cross section between the points A and B? The answer is B. The answer is B. Question 5. The vertical interval is. So for this question 5, I will leave it with you as an assignment. Just go and do assignment on this 25 on this question 5. Then question 6. When it is winter solstice, that is December 22nd, areas south of the Antarctic Circle experience. When it is winter solstice, that is December 22nd, areas south of the Antarctic Circle experience. The answer is C. 24 hours of darkness. Question 7. If the distance between 1 degree of latitude to another is 111 kilometers, what will be the straight line? What would be the straight line distance between Douala, which is latitude 4 degrees north, and Kuseri, which is latitude 12 degrees north. If the distance between 1 degree of latitude to another is 111 kilometers, what will be the straight line distance between Douala, that is latitude 4 degrees north, and Kuseri, that is latitude 12 degrees north? The answer is C. Question 8. The captain of a ship observed that when listening to the 8 a.m. BBC World News from London, it was known at his location. On what longitude was he sailing? The captain of a ship observed that when listening to the 8 a.m. BBC World News from London, it was known at his location. On what longitude was he sailing? The answer is B, 60 degrees east. Question 9. The Stevenson screen is made up of louvered sides. The Stevenson screen is made up of louvered sides. The answer is A. A, for air to circulate in it properly. For air to circulate in it properly. Number 10. Which of these components is an input into the hydrological cycle? Which of these components is an input into the hydrological cycle? The answer is B. Which is precipitation. Question 11. When rainwater condenses and reaches the ground in a frozen state, it is called? When rainwater condenses and reaches the ground in a frozen state, it is called? The answer is B. B, which is hail. Question 12. The very high total annual rainfall for Devonshire is due mainly to? The very high total annual rainfall for Devonshire is due mainly to? The answer is B. Relief rain caused by Mount Cameroon. Question 13. One effect of cold ocean currents along coastal land masses is? One effect of cold ocean currents along coastal land masses is? The answer is C, foggy condition. Foggy condition. Question 14. There's a table above which says answer the question based on the table below. That is question 14 says the climate data on the table refers to climate data on the table refers to. The answer is A, equatorial climate. Question 15. Which of the following is an artificial cause of flooding? Which of the following is an artificial cause of flooding? The answer is B, which is 2 and 3. Question 16. Which health hazard would be caused by contact with cement? Which health hazard would be caused by contact with cement? The answer is B. The answer is B, influenza. Question 17. Potholes develop mainly under potholes develop mainly under. The answer is C, coniferous forest. Question 18. Which of the climatic region has grassland as its natural vegetation? Which of the climatic regions has grassland as its natural vegetation? Which of the climatic region has grassland as its natural vegetation? The answer is D, Mediterranean. Question 19. Match list 1, which is vegetation, and list 2, which is soil type, and select the correct answer. The table is here. This list 1 and list 2. So the correct answer should be correct answer should be C. Should be C. Question 20. The link between the living community of animals and plants and their habitat is. The link between the living community of animals and plants and their habitat is. The answer is A, food chain. Question 21. An area where living and non-living organisms interact, produce and exchange material is. An area where living and non-living organisms interact, produce and exchange materials is called. The answer is D, which is ecosystem. The theory that Question 22, the theory that explains the movement, formation, and destruction of parts of the earth crust is the theory that explains the movement, formation, and destruction of parts of the earth's crust is the answer is C, plate tectonics. Question 23. Sedimentary rocks are formed by Sedimentary rocks are formed by Answer is C, erosion and deposition. Question 24. The weathering process in which granite produces qualling which is used to produce toothpaste is called the weathering process in which granite produces qualling which is used to produce toothpaste is called the answer is D, hydrolysis. Question 25. Which of the following urban problems result to pollution? Which of the following urban problems result to pollution? Here are the problems. So the answer is D. Answer is D. Question 26. In Cameroon today, more people are buying bottled water. This is because they doubt the quality of tap water. In Cameroon today, more people are buying bottled water. This is because they doubt the quality of tap water. The answer is A. Question 27. Which is not a possible evidence of global warming? Which is not a possible evidence of global warming? The answer is A. Answer is A. Question 28. The stage in the the stage in the Rostos model of economic growth where development begins to speed up is the stage in the Rostos model of economic growth where development begins to speed up is the answer is D. Question 29. Least industrialized countries are areas that can Least industrialized countries are areas that can The answer is C. which is political instability. Question 30. Match list 1 farming methods with list 2 crops and select the correct one. So the answer is D. The answer is D. D. Okay. Question 31. Dependency ratio refers to dependency ratio refers to the answer is A. Question 32. The extraction of timber from the forest for use is the extraction of timber from the forest for use is the answer is C. C. Question 33. Which of the following conditions is most closely related to the location of major fishing grounds? Which of the following conditions is most closely related to the location of major fishing grounds? The answer is A. Question 24. Identify the method used to extract minerals near the surface. Identify the method used to extract minerals near the surface. The answer is C. Question 25. The cleanest, most flexible and convenient source of energy is the cleanest, most flexible and convenient source of energy is the answer is A. Hydroelectric power. Question 36. Question 36. Which of the following activities is not a land reclamation process? Which of the following activities is not a land reclamation process? The answer is D, which is deforestation. Question 27. Which of the following best explain why the former agriculturally based countries have become newly industrialized? Which of the following best explains why the former agriculturally based countries have become newly industrialized? The answer is B. Question 28. Question 38. On the demographic transition model, The death rate drops drastically in stage 2 because of improvement in on the demographic transition model. The death rate drops drastically in stage 2 because of improvement in the answer is C, medical facilities. Question 39. The actual point on the ground on which a settlement is located is the actual point on the ground on which a settlement is located is the answer is B. Question 40. Which of the following professionals is in the terri- in the tertiary industry? Which of the following professionals is in the tertiary industry? The answer is C. C, which is teacher. Question 41. Which of these instruments can effectively be used to ban products from certain areas? Which of these instruments can effectively be used to ban products from certain areas? The answer is D, embargo. Question 42. The easiest means of transporting fertilizers to farms is by the easiest means of transporting fertilizers to farms is the answer is D, which is roads. Question 43. Identify the concept which best describes the increase in the number of people who live in towns. Identify the concept which best describes the increase in the number of people who live in towns. The answer is A, urban growth. Question 44. Which of the following is an example of a light industry? Which of the following is an example of a light industry? The answer is B. The answer is B, paper and pulp industry. Question 45. The minimum number of customers needed to, to maintain a service is the minimum number of customers needed to maintain a service is the answer is A. Question 46. Traffic lights, parking charges, underground rail, and roundabouts are all solutions to traffic lights, parking charges, underground rail, and roundabouts are all solutions to. The answer is A, road accidents. Question 37. The most renowned wildlife reserve in Cameroon is. The most the most reserve the most renowned wildlife reserve in Cameroon is. The answer is C, the Waza Park. Question 48. The most developed and highly used source of energy in Cameroon today is. The most developed and highly used source of energy in Cameroon today is. The answer is B, hydro, hy, hydroelectric power. Question 49. Which of these statements is not true about the Adamawa Plateau? Which of these statements is not true about the Adamawa Plateau? The answer is A, the soil is not highly productive. The answer is A. Question 50. One of the least populated areas in Cameroon. One of the least populated areas in Cameroon. The answer is D, the Benue Valley. One of the least populated areas in Cameroon. The answer is D, the Benue Valley. Okay, thank you very much. We have come to the end of this paper today. And next time I will come with 2019. So, or any of them. So grab your success with ease. I wish you the best.